7 of the best vans under 40K 2022. 2022 Toyota Sienna. If you think that the 2022 Sienna looks more like an SUV than a minivan, that was Toyota's intent. Although the sliding side doors are a giveaway, the van's muscular body sides, roof rack, and flat hood help it blend in with the brand's other SUVs such as the midsize Highlander and the full-size Sequoia. What you won't find here that you do in those SUVs is a V6 or V8 engine. Instead, the Sienna is offered exclusively as a hybrid. Front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is optional. As a result, fuel economy is above average for the minivan class, but, unfortunately, the Sienna's acceleration falls behind its non-hybrid rivals. While most buyers won't miss the extra pep of a Honda Odyssey's V6 engine, some may find the Sienna's interior less practical than the Chrysler Pacifica's. Along with the Chrysler Pacifica, the Sienna remains one of only 2 minivans available with all-wheel drive. The Sienna boasts one of the most modern and refined interiors in the class and available second plus. Row captain's chairs with fold-out leg rests provide a luxurious, limo-like feel. (2023) Kia Carnival. When you see the 2023 Kia Carnival out of the corner of your eye, your brain probably registers it as a mid-size SUV. That means its design and Kia's marketing is working. Nonetheless, the Carnival is 100% minivan. Don't believe me? Keep those rear doors, my friend. They slide. Inside, the Carnival's boxy body and low floor provide more cargo stowage space than your average crossover, too. All Carnivals come with a smooth-running 290 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Kia puts a bunch of driver assistance features on as standard. Upscale models have even more tech goodies. But don't let the Carnival's distinct minivan-ness turn you off. Embrace its refined road manners, added practicality, and spacious cabin. Let's face it, you probably don't need high ground clearance and all-wheel drive anyway. Unlike the Sienna, the Carnival doesn't provide all-wheel drive. And Kia doesn't offer a hybrid variant. This minivan is less fuel efficient than rivals with hybrid powertrains, such as the Sienna and Chrysler Pacifica hybrid. But overall, the Carnival succeeds at putting a fresh spin on a familiar workhorse. (2022) Chrysler Pacifica. Practical, comfortable, graceful, and undeniably handsome, the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica has family transportation down pat. It's offered with either a regular V6 or a plug-in hybrid powertrain, and can be equipped with optional all-wheel drive. Its refined road manners make the Pacifica a pleasure to drive, whether you're logging interstate road trip miles or simply shuttling kids to the high school football game, making it worthy of an Editor's Choice Award. Cargo capacity is vast, especially with the second and third rows folded flat into their built-in alcoves in the Pacifica's floor. Its base price is loftier than rivals such as the Kia Carnival and the Honda Odyssey, but that's because the Pacifica's entry-level trims are marked under the Chrysler Voyager name, a van we review separately. While the rest of America continues to crave SUVs and crossovers, we'll be over here beating the drum for the more practical minivan, the Pacifica, in particular. The Pacifica isn't exactly sporty, but it's quick enough to easily ramp up to freeway traffic. It's also available with all-wheel drive, which is rare in the minivan class. The Toyota Sienna is the only competitor to offer it. (2023) Honda Odyssey. The 2023 Honda Odyssey will make you forget any negative thoughts about minivans once you experience its refined ride, solid handling, and quick accelerating V6 engine. Don't worry, if a minivan is on your shopping list because you need practicality, the Odyssey won't disappoint there either. Its novel Magic Seat system allows you to position the second row seats in a variety of ways, including a configuration that'll keep feuding kitties appropriately separated. The third row disappears into a recess in the floor to allow for more cargo space. The cabin isn't as well connected and tech-focused as those in rivals such as the Chrysler Pacifica or Kia Carnival, but the Honda's infotainment suite offers more than just the necessities, including an optional rear seat entertainment system to keep the youngsters occupied. Seats 8 comfortably. Refined and powerful V6 engine. Smooth ride. Doesn't offer all-wheel drive or hybrid powertrain like some key competitors. Infotainment system is a bit dated. 2022 Mercedes-Benz Metris passenger van. Vans are innately versatile, and both the cargo and passenger versions of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz Metris are no exception. The hollowed-out cargo van is perfect for tradespeople or anyone who wants a blank canvas from which to create a custom camper. Mercedes also offers the Metris-based weekender camper model for those with considerable cash and fewer DIY skills. The Metris passenger van can carry up to 8 with its configurable seating arrangements. Under the hood is a peppy 208 horsepower Turbo 4 that feeds the rear wheels. All-wheel drive isn't available. The Metris's German engineering heritage shows in its smooth ride and refined driving behavior. (2021) Ford Transit Crew Van. The Ford Transit has led the work van segment for quite some time now, despite stiff competition from the Ram Pro Master Cargo Van and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Crew Van. Along with several updates in 2020, the Transit also saw the addition of a new trim aimed at more niche buyers, the Transit Crew Van. Seating 5 is standard. The Crew Van is designed to haul larger work teams while still supplying enough room for tools and equipment in the trunk. Like the Cargo Van, the Crew Van is available with 3 body lengths and roof heights, as well as 2 available engines. The standard V6 gas engine develops 275 horsepower and 260 pounds-foot of torque, while the twin-turbocharged V6 develops 310 horsepower and 400 pounds-foot with the Cargo Van on which it is based still leading the segment. We're excited to see how the Crew Van fares against the competition. (2022) Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo Van. Backed by Mercedes-Benz's luxury pedigree, the 2022 Sprinter is a full-size van that boasts refined powertrains and countless configurations. However, it's also more expensive than similarly versatile rivals such as the Ford Transit and Ram Pro Master. Along with a standard Turbo 4 engine, the Sprinter offers 2 different diesel options and rear or all-wheel drive. It can also tow up to 7,500 pounds, but that's 1,900 pounds less than Nissan NV, another Sprinter rival, can handle. The Merc can be had with a dual rear-wheel axle, multiple roof heights, and 3 distinct variations: cargo, crew, and passenger. The trio can be equipped with tech such as a 10.3-inch touchscreen and various driver assists. With so much interior space and seemingly infinite ways to outfit it, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a seriously useful tool for folks in the skilled trades.